IP M402 Management. It takes 24 days for Mr. A to complete a certain software development and 12 days for Mr. B. When both Messrs. A and B work together, 25% of all the working hours in a day are needed for preliminary discussion. When both Messrs. A and B work together, how many days does it take to complete the development? A. 8, B. 11, C. 12, D. 6. Answer explanation. So in this question, you need to do some calculations. First of all, we need to look at the workload in one day for each person. So workload in one day for Mr. A is 1/24. So Mr. A takes 24 days to finish a software development, and workload in one day for Mr. B is 1/12. So he takes 12 days. And then we need to work out the workload in one day if both people work together. So basically we need to add the workload in one day for Mr. A and Mr. B together. So the calculation would be 1/24 plus 1/12, which is 3/24. So just in case you're not familiar with calculating with fractions, 1/12 is basically the same as 2/24. So you will need to just add 1 and 2 at the top and you get 3/24. However, since 25% of the time is used up each day for preliminary discussion, so 25% of the time is used up each day. The workload for each day is actually 3/24 times, so 100% minus 25%, so 3/4. So let's just write that. So 25% of the time means we would have to multiply the workload in one day for both people by 75% of the time. So that's 3/24 times 3/4, which is 3/32. So just to simplify the calculation, you can cancel out 24 and 3, just like that, and that is 8 times 4 at the bottom and 3 at the top. So 3/32 is the workload for each day. Therefore, the work completed by each day is, so if we look at after one day, the workload would be done 3/32. So that is the workload for one day. After 2 days, that is basically 3/32 times 2 and times 3 and so on. And after 11 days, you would get this number 33/32. So that is more than 1. So that means the work is complete on the 11th day. You can do it this way as well. So if we have 32 as the whole work, we want to divide that by 3, which is the amount of, so you're getting down 3 out of 32 each day. So each day. So if you divide 32 by 3, you would get 10 point something something. So that is about 10.8 something something. So that is more than 10, but less than 11. So that means you can say that for the whole work to be completed, it would take 11 days in total. So, after all, B is the correct answer.